That's some. Look, there's them black balls, Glyn. The black balls like that. And we have them. We have the black bibs like them. That's coming on there nicely. They're through the silver line. These checkers are through that silver line. You've got the silvers, and you've got them checkers. Look, that's sat round, just to prove. And I've got them silvers as well. That's one of them checkers, look. That's the black ones. With a little bib on one side. You're getting pet brothers to them, that and that. And you're getting them brothers to them and the mealy. Does the mealy come back? Ah! Off of 4087, which is the end that they picked out in all of England. There's a mother too. This little checker here. That little mealy there, sorry. Happy. Healthy. Oh, I'll just give you a whiz through. See them? The blacks with black tails and little speckles on their heads. They are predominantly by strain. So, I'll just show you quickly. Oh, there's another one in there, look. I'll show you quickly. And I'll go through what I'm on about. They are predominantly my strain. I'm not just saying my strain. I'll show you why. See them? This is only one line of pigeons that everyone keeps saying, what strain have you got? Well, you must have a strain. Look at them. Well, I haven't got a strain because I don't know what's what. I put two birds together. So we have one, two, which is 555, which I got best individual with. Two more babies in there. He's 555, 526, all through. I'll show you. Oh, 529, not 526. But that's her. She's got babies. 575. Here all then. And they all, oh no, that's 546. This here. And people say, oh, it must be a strain. You must have someone else's birds. And that's the old hen. She is 2016, so they all bred through her. So miniatures with one of Gordon's cocks. But she is bred. That is a mum. It's a mum. And then this cock here just took after the dad's side of the birds. So that's where the black balls come from. Then she is out of the same way. But look, she's no ring on because when they bred them, when I bought them, they had no rings on or the Doncaster rings on. Doncaster, which isn't a club, but they got the rings for the sake of getting the rings. So that's when people say, what strain are they? Well, they're not a strain. They're my strain. Well, they are a strain, but I don't know what they are, if you know what I mean. Here's a nice one. So yeah, that's that. Anyway,